What's up, fellow traders? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. How you doing, everybody? It's been a while that that I do a video, that I make a video, but right now I'm back. I'm busy with ups and downs of life. I'm so sorry, it takes time. And today, today's Saturday, the 26th of September 2020. And as I am now, I'm trying to analyze Great Britain pound USD. So for the weekend, I see that USD has been performing some kind of strength. So here's what I want to tell you. Here's what I see there. So let's get down to business. What I see here is that US dollar has already gained its momentum and US dollar is going down. So let me just put it. So just in case of Monday, just in case of next week, I just want you guys to see. You get it? As it is like this, US dollar is going down. It's a downtrending market right now. US dollar has gained its momentum. So right now that US dollar has gained its momentum, US dollar will keep evolving, and it will keep going. You get it? For now, it will really go. It might not really go long, but it's really gonna go down to a very reasonable profit. So if I want to trade now, I'm gonna trade Great Britain pound USD. You get it? So just take a look at the market and let me know what you think. But as it is like this, when you check it, I'm coming. Let me just zoom it and let's see some kind of, when you check here, this very point, this very point, just like I said the other day that USD has picked its momentum. That my last video has said this on it. So as we speak right now, when you look at this very point, the US dollar, it jumps and it's start another trade below where it closed. So this is a very good trend and signal. As we speak, it jumps another one down, which is good. And as it is like this, Great Britain tried to fight against it, but US dollar still hold a trend. It got to this place, Great Britain pound still try to fight against it, but US dollar still hold a strength. You get it? So from what I can see here, 100% US dollar has gained its momentum. Not like 100% like that, but at least let's just give it like 70% as we speak right at the moment, because Great Britain pound will still try to fight back. You get it? Great Britain pound will try to fight back, but from what I can see here, US dollar is going all the way down and it's profit. So as I'm trading on Monday, I'm gonna make it sell. So please just check out, this market. Just check it out from the past to the present, to whatever it is that you can check it. Just check it out, because from everything that I can see here that is indicating, is telling me that US dollar is dominating the market. I don't know what the signal is telling you, because from here, if we look at here, there's something that we call tweezer bottom. You get it? It forms a tweezer bottom here at these very two candles. You understand? So right now, the tweezer bottom, what it says is that it's a downtrend. You get it? But as it says it's a downtrend, as we speak right now, it's definitely actualized itself. It has already shown us that US dollar is gaining its momentum, that euro has gone weak. And when it gets to this place, you can see what it forms here. Euro drops strength. Great Britain pound, Great Britain pound, Great Britain pound drops strength. It will come to the other side, it drops. It came here. It forms a pin bar reversal in two places. You get it? This is another tweezer top, tweezer bottom. You get it? It forms a pin bar reversal, and this solidify what this is saying. You get it? So when these two solidify what this is saying, then US dollar peak down straight up. It keep going. So I promise you, by Monday, by tomorrow evening, which is Sunday, this will open. It will try to reverse a little bit up, because it will try to come down a little bit. Great Britain pound might fight it, but when another candle open beside it, I promise you that it's going to be a downtrend. You get it? It might not be an immediately downtrend market, but it's definitely going to be a downtrend. So if you really want to trade right now, I advise that you trade sell. That is, it's an advice. It's an optional advice. Please try to know. It's an optional advice. So people, I don't know what you think about this, but from what I can see now, it's a downtrending market, and I'm with it. So as we speak today, I'm definitely going to do another video based on gold USD. I'm definitely going to do another video. So please just let me know what your opinions are. Please, I'll very much appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Please, I very much appreciate it. Thank you, everyone watching my video. Thanks very much, everyone calling me. Thanks very much. I really appreciate. But please, I want you guys to know that I really love you. I really appreciate at least you created a time, no matter how little it is. You watch my video. It means a lot to me. So at least I am really happy that at least you could watch my video. At least I'm able to, if this, no matter how little it is, I was able to contribute something to the community of the Forex trading. So I really appreciate it. So please, people, just like, share, subscribe. If you have anything to tell me, you could write me on my email, david@ifx.com, or you could give me a call on Skype. I'll definitely, you could give me a call on Skype at IFX, at IFX. I'll pick it up. And please, I'll very much appreciate it if you could join any one of my social media pages. Please like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks, everyone. Stay blessed. Stay good. Don't be greedy. Trade safe. Thanks very much, everyone. Have a good one. Thanks everyone for watching my daily forecast forex trading video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you feel like asking me any question, please drop it on any of my social media pages and I'll definitely get back to you. If the question is so pressing, please, you could give me a call on Skype any day, anytime at IFX. I'll definitely pick up your call and we'll talk it through. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could add me on any of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll definitely appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Have a